Hey guys, what's up? It's Bonita and I'm back with another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you a top rock step, and this top rock step is just going to generically be called a shuffle. So this is just something that I do a lot and you see quite a bit, so I'm going to teach it to you. So here we go. All right, so this shuffle step is basically a kick step, a kick and a hop, so nothing too complicated. You're going to start by kicking out one foot. I go to the corner, so you're gonna kick it with my right foot. I'm gonna switch feet, and then when I hop, I'm gonna hop onto the same foot that I'm planted on, and I'm gonna grab my ankle. Tap, yeah? But with style or preference, this hand could, go to your visor, cross your chest, throw it out, whatever you want, yeah? So, again, to that same side, you're going kick, switch, double hop, ha, yep. And now this foot that's up is ready to kick. I'm gonna switch corners. So now I'm gonna kick this way, kick. I'm gonna switch, and I'm gonna do a hop. Ha. Yes, nice, there we go. So I'm gonna go to the right and then to the left. 5, 6, 7, you go. Kick, kick, hop. Kick, kick, hop. Nice, fairly simple. Let's take it again. And from the corner to the corner, here we go. 5, 6, 7, you go. Kick, kick, double hop. Kick, kick, double hop, yeah? Kind of added that clap in there because there's only 3 steps. Obviously, that with music, you either have to add a hop or hold. So you could go like kick, kick, hop. And then you could do another hop, or you could just hold, clap. You could do whatever you want. But basically, that's the step. We're gonna go a little bit faster, right, left, right, left. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, we go. Kick, kick, hop. Kick, kick, hop. Kick, kick, hop. Kick, kick, hop. And there is your shuffle, kick shuffle. All right, so now we're gonna take that step down to the ground. Same exact thing. So now we're squatted, and then from here, that same foot's gonna kick out. So I'm gonna start with my right foot. So I'm gonna go right, and then I'm gonna switch, and I'm gonna kick my left. And then same thing, I'm gonna double hop, but I'm gonna put my right hand down and I'm gonna grab this ankle. Boom, right? So there's your hop step. This foot's ready to kick, kick, good. I'm gonna switch, and then I'm gonna grab that ankle, put my hand down and hop back. Boom, there's that step, right? So we're gonna take that a little bit quicker. You do have to use some control because, like I said, you have to hold a count, or you can move out of it, but if you're wanting it to really connect to the music, you're gonna have to squeeze and kind of hold that position. It's a little trickier. So let's take it a little quicker. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, right foot goes. Kick, switch, hop. Kick, switch, hop. Kick, switch, hop. Kick, switch, hop. Nice. So again, same step that we did on the top, you can use the same exact step down on the ground. All right, here we go. We're gonna take it all together, top and bottom. We're gonna do 4 on top, 4 on the bottom. Let's do it. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, we go. Kick and hop, kick and hop, kick and hop. Take it to the ground. Kick and hop, kick and hop, kick and hop, kick and hop. Woo! Nice. All right, so there's your top rock shuffle and your footwork shuffle step. Combine them, change them, do what you would like. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Comment, let me know what you think of the video and what else you want me to teach. Until then, peace out.